Hey guys, I'm Evan from Country View Solar, and today I'm at RE Plus in Las Vegas, checking out some of the new solar equipment, and I am at the EG4 booth, and they've got a lot of new changes. So you guys are probably familiar with a lot of the EG4 products that I show on the channel. I don't have this one, this is a FlexBoss 18. One of the biggest changes that they're making is they are going to certify all of their equipment as being EMP-hardened. And that's going to be all the Lux Power equipment. That's going to be the FlexBoss 18, the 21. That's also going to be the 12,000 XP, the 6,000 XP, and I know there's the 18K PV, 12K PV. Man, I can't remember them all. All of the EG4 products that are made by Lux Power Tech, they are all going to now certify them as EMP hardened, and that is huge, especially to the DIY community, the people that are wanting to be more prepared for certain events. They're definitely going to be interested in this EMP hardening. So one of the things EG4 is going to offer here next year is new wall mount batteries. They've redesigned them. Before, these were 14.3 kilowatt hours. Now they're going to be 16 kilowatt hours. What they've done is they've just put bigger battery cells in here. They've redesigned the case as well, and they got rid of the display, and they ended up just putting indicator lights here on the front. I noticed the side said Wi-Fi. They didn't really explain that to me, but this may end up being, this may hook up to Wi-Fi. We'll have to wait and find out. But on the other side, it has your battery breaker and your on-off switch. Overall, it looks like to be a similar size battery as before. It's just got more storage. So this right here is their new outdoor version. Again, it's upgraded up to 16 kilowatt hours, so it's increased storage. Has the same display here on the front for the indicators. And the big change is the old one had these removable covers on the side. And a lot of people would just take those covers off. They'd just leave them off so that they could access the on-off button to access the breaker. And now that is purely accessible, no covers to remove. So I think it actually shrunk the battery. I think the battery is now smaller without the removable covers. I think it's definitely a big improvement. So I haven't showed any of it on my channel, but EG4 does make a lot of mini splits to be able to air condition. It's actually a heat pump. You can heat and cool your house with it. And they make these that run off of AC and DC directly off of solar panels. But the new thing they have is a new multi-zone. So they've got your compressor down here. This is a 2-ton, 24,000 BTUs, and it is multi-zone. So you can run, I think, up to 3 different of the air conditioning heads on here. So that's 3 different rooms you can cool with one, heat or cool with one different unit. So this is also a new offering that they'll be coming out with next year. Now, besides the mini splits, they're also going to come out with a new window air conditioning option. Here's just a rendering of it. This isn't the complete model. I don't think this is going to be coming out till somewhere around April or May of next year. It does appear that it's only going to be a window air conditioner. It won't have heat. But this should run off of DC solar panels as well, AC and DC. So right here is another new EG4 product. This is the new EG4 Chargeverter Plus. You can tell it looks larger, right? They've got it all sealed up, sealed unit, sealed breaker. This is more of a waterproof Chargeverter that can be mounted outside. Now, it doesn't say exactly what the charging capacity is or like whether it outputs more or not. It does look like it has the same size cables as the previous one, but it definitely looks beefier than it did before. So new Chargeverter Plus, we're gonna have to wait for the specs to come out on this, and then we'll see exactly what it can do. But it looks like they made a new waterproof model, so you can use it outside with your outdoor wall mount batteries or outdoor inverters. Now, I know a lot of people are wondering whether EG4 has a brand new inverter, and they do have one coming out. Right now it's called the Nova, but this is their brand new inverter. This is actually completely different. This is a high voltage inverter. This has a 100 volt battery inside of here, and then the inverter itself is 16 kilowatt hours. And the cool thing about it is they're trying to get this all engineered and everything, but it is going to be made in America. They're going to try to make it where it's completely compliant, where it's made in America. So this is totally different for EG4. They're completely changing with the 48 volt batteries on all their previous inverters. This one is 100. So complete change, but you can put up to, I think you can put up to, let me think about this. 6 of the batteries onto this. This is a 15.5 kilowatt hour battery. So you can have, in theory, you could have up to maybe 93 kilowatt hours of battery storage with this one inverter. And this is actually going to be compatible, it's supposed to be compatible with the Grid Boss. So you can get a Grid Boss to have your 200 amp pass through and your microgrid device, you know, and then this can tie into the Grid Boss itself. But totally different inverter, totally different concept with the 100 volt batteries, which that higher voltage on the batteries makes it easier to convert to 240 volts, makes it more efficient overall. So it's a more efficient inverter. And this is the way things are probably going. We're probably going to see more and more systems move to a higher voltage battery system. And I think this is right now, but from what I'm hearing, this is supposed to come out at the beginning of next year. So we'll have to wait and see when it actually does. But this is a totally different concept, and this is their new inverter they have coming out.